Greetings, everyone. In this video, I'll be sharing a guided meditation designed to assist in healing from trauma and anxiety. When we experience feelings of anxiety, it's often related to the memory of past experiences, either a conscious or subconscious memory. A memory that comes from an experience in our past where we were confronted with a situation that we were not prepared to handle or process. So we felt emotionally overwhelmed in that situation. The anxiety reaction, the survival instincts kicked in. Our body was probably flooded with stress hormones. We may have had different sensations in our body. Whatever thoughts may have run through our mind at that time. And of course, we don't like that feeling or that sensation, so a part of us is resisting it, not allowing that wave of emotion to fully pass through us and be released. So in the guided meditation I'm providing, there will be support to help you be fully present, fully able to embrace the feelings and sensations that may pass through as you encounter any memory or any past experience in your mind. To begin, I'd like you to find a comfortable position, a place where you can sit or lie back and relax. And once you're settled in that place, you can begin by closing your eyes and taking a deep breath, bringing your full attention, your full awareness into that breath. Feeling the inhalation and exhalation, feeling the sensation of that breath as it fills your body, as it nourishes you, as it carries the current of life through your whole being, through every cell in your body. You'll notice that sensation goes all the way down through your feet. Taking these long, deep breaths. Noticing how your breath naturally relaxes your body. It helps your muscles come to rest. It enables your nervous system to settle, to release any resistance, to let go of any reactions. Just letting the sound of my voice and any other sounds that may appear in your environment to carry you even further, even deeper into that state of calmness and comfort. Just fully present there, fully immersed in each moment, feeling your body and your breath, at ease with whatever may unfold or arise, with whatever may pass through your consciousness. Notice how natural and pleasant it feels, how refreshing it is to be in this tranquil state. And as you experience this now, you recognize that you don't need to worry about the future or the past in this moment. There's nothing that needs to be done, nowhere that you need to go. You're free to just rest and breathe, to just notice each moment, to notice your feelings and sensations, to be aware of any thoughts that may arise or pass through, just allowing them to flow by. Understanding that all of the experiences in your life have arisen like waves on the surface of the ocean. None of them are permanent. Each moment leads to another. You've survived each of those experiences. Your essential self always intact, always there. And so as you rest now, you can prepare to drift even deeper, inviting your inner guidance and inner wisdom to lead you even further, to help you review or revisit any experiences that you've had in your life, anything that has provoked anxiety or stress, anything that may have disturbed you in the past. Knowing that those experiences are just there in the past, in the memory. They don't need to affect you in the present. In a sense, they exist now only in your mind, in your imagination. They pose no real threat, no true harm to you. Just like a movie that you may watch when you go to the theater or you watch television. It's only occurring within your mind, within your consciousness. The feelings or emotions that may be triggered will pass through, and you'll realize that there's no actual threat of harm to you. You are not the characters in that movie, just as you are not the person that you were in that past experience from your life. You exist in truth only here and now in the present. And so you are free to just witness, to just observe any memories that may arise. As you hear these waves of sound now, just allow your consciousness to drift through time, ready to revisit that important or significant experience. Free to recognize any feelings, any emotions that are associated with it. Knowing that it is safe now to experience those feelings, to let them arise and let them flow through you. For there is nothing that you need to resist, nothing that you need to escape. You can be fully present and fully aware. Just allowing yourself to breathe fully and deeply. Reminding yourself that you are safe. That you will make it through whatever you're reliving there. sound as they surround you, bringing balance and harmony, calmness and comfort into your being, combining with your breath to cleanse and refresh you, to bring you a sense of comfort and contentment that you'll be able to carry with you. Just notice now this equilibrium that is present. Feeling light and free now, at peace with the past, content with the present. Your body and mind in balance and in harmony. Nourished by each breath, at ease with life, with each moment as it unfolds. And at this time, you can give yourself credit for your courage, feeling the power and strength that you have within you, the confidence and clarity that are there to guide you now. Letting you know that you can face any fear, any anxiety that may arise in the future, and flow through it. Knowing that that source of peace is always present within you, just as you are always connected to each breath, to that flow of life. The awareness of your true essence is also present. The awareness that you have nothing ultimately to fear. Feel each moment supporting you now. Notice how relaxed your body is, how calm and content. Ready to carry your awareness back to the present, back to where you are seated or resting. You can let your body begin to reawaken now, feeling your muscles as they start to stretch, becoming fully conscious, fully alert, fully awake and aware. When you are ready, you may open your eyes. Welcome back now. This completes this meditation exercise. For those that are looking for some additional resources for personal growth, for healing, for spirituality and well-being, I invite you to visit my website, www.phinsights.com. That's PHINSIGHTS.com. For now, I want to wish everyone a wonderful day. Namaste.